Welcome back to our channel. Our topic for today is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, SAARC. Introduction. The South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, SAARC, is a regional organization formed to promote economic, social, cultural, and political cooperation among South Asian countries. It was established on the 8th of December 1985 during the first SAARC summit held in Dhaka, Bangladesh. The headquarters of SAARC is located in Kathmandu, Nepal. The organization was created to strengthen regional cooperation and improve the welfare and quality of life of people in South Asia. SAARC stands for South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. It is an organization of South Asian countries formed to promote mutual cooperation and development in the region. SAARC comprises of 8 member states: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. Objectives of SAARC: to promote the welfare of the people of South Asia and to improve their quality of life, to accelerate economic growth, social progress and cultural development in the region, and to provide all individuals the opportunity to live in dignity and to realize their full potentials, to promote and strengthen collective self-reliance among the countries of South Asia, to contribute to mutual trust, understanding and appreciation of one another's problems, to promote active collaboration and mutual assistance in the economic, social, cultural, technical and scientific fields, to strengthen cooperation with other developing countries, to strengthen cooperation among themselves in international forums on matters of common interests. Areas of cooperation: human resource development and tourism, agriculture and rural development, environment, natural disasters and biotechnology, economic, trade and finance, social affairs, information and poverty alleviation, energy, transport, science and technology, education, security and culture and others. Principal organs of the cooperation: meeting of heads of state or government are held at the summit level, usually on an annual basis. Standing Committee of Foreign Secretaries. The committee provides overall monitoring and coordination, determines priorities, mobilizes resources, approves projects and financing. Secretariat. The SAARC Secretariat was established on the 16th of January 1987. Its role is to coordinate and monitor the implementation of SAARC activities, service the meetings of the association and serve as a channel of communication between SAARC and other international organizations. The Secretariat comprises the Secretary General, 7 directors, and the General Services staff. The Secretary General is appointed by the Council of Ministers on the principle of rotation, for a non-renewable tenure of 3 years. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights. See you in the next one.